Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Weston, aka Full Out, and you are in Dance with VS, VersaStyle's online street dance tutorials. Hope you're having a wonderful day, and today we are going to be learning the ALF. Let's get to it. So the ALF is another one of our hip-hop party dances coming from the 1980s, named after the TV show character, ALF. Look him up. And this dance, again, coming from the 1980s, popular social dance, definitely I think one of the more advanced dances, just in terms of the way you're using your body and all the different angles and things, but I'll do my best to break it down so we can all do it together. So here's the ALF. What we're really using, I would say, is the rock. And if you don't know the rock, please check out our other tutorials on the rock, the grooves, the bounce, the waves, the rolls. We got all kinds of tutorials on hip-hop basics. Highly recommend that you start there before moving on to the social dances, yeah? But we're really gonna be using the rock, and we're really gonna be rocking back. So first, what I'd love everybody to do is just rock back. And 1, and 3, and 5, and 7, to the side, to the side, to the side. Do it once, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, that rock to the side, right? I'm almost rocking to the back corner of the room. That's really what we're gonna be using in terms of a groove. If you can get used to that and rocking your hips with it, right? Rocking your hips forward as you do it, it's gonna help you out a lot when we start adding arms and legs and all kinds of craziness, yeah? So let's try just that rock again. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the right and then back to the left. 5, 6 single counts each side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it going, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? All right, hopefully that helps give us a base. So here's what we do with all the rest of the body. Leg are coming up, right? So this leg is gonna come up, and I'm gonna rock with it. I'm gonna rock back, boom. 1, yeah, just do that. 6, 7, 8. 1, good, same thing. 6, 7, 8, boom. Try the other side, boom. Same side, boom. Same side, boom. Yeah, let's do 1, 2, and 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, again, 5, 6, and ready, go. 1, 2. Now remember, same thing with the rock, yeah? We're just bringing the leg up now, right? That leg is coming up, but the hip still rocking out, yeah? Cool, let's try a whole 8 count of just that. 5, 6, and ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Super simplified, super broken down version. Cool? Now with the arms, what you're really trying to do is you're trying to push away. Yeah, we're pushing out with the arms each time we do it. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, let's try that with the legs. 5, 6, nice and slow, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool. Now again, with all these movements, the funkier you can get, the more you can loosen up, the more on point you're gonna look, yeah? If you can really start throwing shoulders in there, head in there, hips, the more you can get funky with it, the better you're gonna look and the better you're gonna feel, yeah? One little tiny kind of trick that I like to throw in there is with the opposite foot. So when my leg comes up and I'm here, if this is too much, chill, don't worry about it. But if you can, you're gonna rotate on that toe. Boom. See how my heel came in? Boom. You can do it on the other side as well. Boom. Going up on that toe and putting that heel in is gonna help you with those angles. Yeah, this dance in particular, all about your angles. Yeah, and that using that heel being on that toe will help give you a little bit of flavor. Sound good? So try to work all that in there. Yeah, now again, remember, if this all gets to be a lot, just rock. That's the basis of this whole thing, is just rocking. Cool? All right, let's do 2 8 counts. Yeah, just singles, starting rocking to the back with the left leg coming up. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, keep going. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sound good? Let's try to the back. Same thing, nice and easy. 5, 6, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cool? This is the ALF. So now we're going to try it with some music. I'm going to do a couple 8 counts facing the camera, a couple 8 counts facing away, and then as always, we're going to dance, just freestyle a little bit, yeah? So again, you could double it up. You might see me do some things where I really play with kind of the different feel or different texture of the movement, different timing. There's lots of different versions, lots of different variations. I'm going to play with some. You're welcome to watch. You're welcome to do some on your own, whatever you feel. Sound good? Let's get some music. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6. Let's go. To the back. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7. Cool? All right, let's freestyle. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6. All right, that is the ALF. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you got a little bit of an introduction to it. Very famous move coming out of the 1980s. Very famous social dance, hip hop social dance. Have some fun with it. Show somebody, learn something. Look it up online, check out other videos. Lots of good stuff out there. As always, thank you for joining us. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to the VersaStyle channel. We got lots of videos of lots of other hip hop social dances from the 80s, 90s, 2000s, all the way up into today's viral dances. You can find us on Facebook at VersaStyle Dance Company. You can find us on Instagram at VersaStyleLA. And you can always find me on Instagram at FullOut89. Thank you so much for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you next time. Peace.